G'day, my name is Amy and I am from Brisbane in Australia. If you've ever wished you could phone a friend for advice about life here, well, now you can. This series is made up of interactive role plays with plenty of opportunities for you to practice speaking confidently, all while learning practical life skills. I'm here to help you get ready step by step. We're going to cover everything from writing a resume and cover letter, searching for the right job, nailing your interview, and even dealing with challenges that arise along the way. Turn on your imagination and let's start the roleplay. To start work in Australia, you'll need a tax file number and bank account details for payment. But of course, the first thing you'll need to apply for a job is a resume. So head home and open up your computer. I'll send you a list of things to put in your resume. This is a great opportunity to practice speaking with confidence. Just repeat each thing after me. Name. Contact details. Education. Qualifications. Experience. Skills. References. Hey, you should have that template that I sent you for your resume. Ready to fill it out while we practice your speaking skills? I'll give you an instruction and you repeat it after me. Then fill in your details, okay? Don't be shy. Repeat after me, loud and clear. Your full name goes at the top. Use large, bold letters. Make sure all contact details are clear. It is good if your email address is professional. List relevant education and qualifications. Start with the most recent ones first. List relevant experience, such as past jobs or volunteer positions. Put the most recent ones at the top. List other skills or hobbies. Only do this if it is relevant. Include contact details for 2 references. One or 2 pages is a good length for a resume. You can add a photo, but employers might judge you unfairly because of it. It helps to include education, qualifications, and experience that are valued in Australia. especially things like a RSA certificate for many restaurant jobs. I'll tell you about that later. Some jobs want you to fill in a form instead of submitting a resume. Let's go through this form together really quick. Read the words out loud as I highlight them. I hope this helps with your job hunt in Australia. Let me know if you have any more questions. Nice work. That was just one part of the job hunt course, and there's plenty more to help you get ready for work in Australia. If you liked this, check out the full course on Udemy using the link in the description below. You'll get all the tips, role plays, and practice you need to feel confident applying for jobs. See you there!